Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So for today I am doing the new fox eyes trend that's been going around. I've seen this done a couple times and I just wanted to hop on board. So today we are doing this look. Basically the fox eye trend is all about giving the face a nice little lift. So it's all about that inner corner fleek, that outer corner fleek, the eyebrows going upward, and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see how I did this look and how to get a non-surgical facelift, then please keep watching. So today I did my eyebrows with the dip brow pomade, even though I said in my last video, which check out if you haven't seen it, it's an eyebrow tutorial. In my last video I said I like to use a pencil usually. I ran out of it, so we're going to use a dip brow. I already started my eyes, but then I realized with fox eyes you need to have more of elongated eye with the tail coming more upwards, so we're going to do our brows together. I'm going to take the same products from my last video. I'm going to make this brow a little bit more linear, and I'm going to take the tail out. So I've never done this before, so we're going to be doing this together. Now I'm going to make this more straight, and I'm also going to kind of cut off a little bit of this end part of the eyebrow. So I'm going to kind of go a little bit higher than I would just to create the elongated eyebrow shape. Bringing the concealer a little bit higher. If you don't care to do this part of the fox eyebrow technique, just skip it and do your regular eyes and pick back up where the shadow comes in. I'm going to use my dirty Jaclyn Hill palette. It's so dirty, I'm sorry. I'm actually just going to lightly blend that in the crease. And then I'm going to take this brush from Coastal Scents. It's pretty old and the name has wiped off, but I'm going to use this to smudge that same shape against my lash line. Actually, first I'm going to take this shade put it all over my lid. I'm going to pretend as if I'm making a wing liner effect. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's just kind of laying the base. Next, I'm going to take Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek. This is an old OG. I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending eye brush and put that a little bit lower on the lid. I'm going in with this BH Cosmetic brush. This is number 10, this shade. The brush is smaller, so now I'm going to get even closer to the lash line. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not like you're creating a real wing. It's kind of just going to be more smoky and an everyday type wing. Now I'm actually going to use the dip brow pomade, and I'm going to kind of create a rough draft of a wing on my eye. Now I'm going to use this Luxie 215 small angle brush. Now I'm going to line it so close on my actual lash line. Go back in with the dark shade for this one. Then you can repeat the other shades. Then you're going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the line. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in Y505. Using the e.l.f. Hydrating Candle Concealer in the shade Deep Olive mixed with Fawn from LA Girl. I'm going to use the Sephora foundation stick in Mahogany to cream contour. We're going to use the Morphe setting powder in Banana. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder to set my face. I'm using the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Compact. I'm using this blush from Bare Minerals called Peachy Keen. I actually used to work in their boutiques here in Atlanta, so I have a lot of their products. I'm going to use the highlighter that's in here. Now it's time to finish the eyes for the Fox Eye tutorial, and that is the inner corner, and that really is what brings the whole look together. So I'm going to take that black from earlier. This is how we're looking. I'm going to take that black from earlier and follow this trail into the inner corner of my eye. This one takes a little bit of time, but you can get it if you just follow the natural way your eye goes and just continue the inner tail. Now you can see my inner corner is done. It was pretty simple because all we used was powder. It's really forgivable if you mess up because, like I said, this is more of a smokier look. We're going to take the NYX retractable black eyeliner and we're going to line in the lower lash line, in our waterline. Does my face look lifted? I feel like it does. I'm going to bring some of that Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek just on the outer part of our eye. For lashes, with this look, you usually cut the lash in half and just put it on the outside corner of the eye to help create that elongated eye effect, with the outer corner kind of pulling it back, you know, just kind of a makeup. For lips, I'm going to do a nude. I'm thinking about doing a nude lip video, so I would do different nudes. Let me know if you guys want to see that in the comments down below. This is one of my favorite nudes to do. This one is NYX Urban Cafe. This is Kylie Liquid Lip in Exposed. And this is Buxom Lip Gloss in Camilla over top. So this is the completed look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. It really does help me a lot. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.